You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, you click on this video. Hi, this is gonna be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things in your life. And hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. Currently got a more than 200 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram. And yeah, to be honest, this is just gonna be a short video and just gonna be explaining one of my old scripts because I just got into some biking injury. I'm not really feeling that well today, actually, to be honest. But hey, this is May 31st, 2025, and this is going to be day 327 of consistently helping people build consistency. So one really important thing when we are trying to be consistent at doing something, let's say we want to be consistent at exercising, or we want to be consistent at studying a new language, learning a new language. The thing that we really need to be having there is to basically a very clear notion of how much is considered to be enough. Basically, a daily bare minimum, a daily minimum target of the minimum target that we should achieve. So I'm gonna be giving you guys an example of a good bare minimum and a bad bare minimum. So a bad bare minimum is going to be something like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna be exercising every single day. That's a bare minimum. I'm gonna be explaining it later. And comparatively, a good bare minimum, a good daily minimum target is gonna sound something like, oh, you know what? At least I'm gonna be doing some exercise in a form of stretching for at least 5 minutes every single day because I want to, maintain some good posture. Okay. That's the example of a good bare minimum. It's clear and also it's really specific. So why this the first bare minimum is bad, okay? Is that because, when the notion is really unclear like this, it's just, exercise every single day. Our sneaky brain, sometimes it just, be lazy and say, you know what, I need to exercise every single day, right? You know what, I'm just going to be doing like, 10 seconds of stretching or maybe like just one push up, okay? And I'm going to call it a day, okay? Well, I'm not saying that one push up, 5 seconds or 10 seconds of stretching is bad. No, I'm saying that it's bad when we just do not have a clear idea of what is the thing that we are going to be consistent about and resulting in us not having some sense of consistency of what is the thing that we are going to be doing on the long run. Okay. And here's why it's precisely bad when we just, some of the times we do one push up, some of the times we do 10 push ups, some of the times we do 5 seconds of stretching, some of the times we do 50 push ups, some of the days we do like one push up. Why it's bad? Because the sense of inconsistency, it's going to make ourselves doubt our own commitment, our seriousness in doing this thing. Oh, you know what? I just keep on decreasing on a day-to-day basis. Yesterday I did 50 push-ups. Today I did only 10 push-ups. You know what? I'm not really serious at doing this thing. I'm just gonna be failing anyway. You know what? I'm just gonna be stopping doing this thing. So basically, unclarity make us be inconsistent, and when we are inconsistent, when we do not have a clear goal, right, we doubt our own self-commitment. And when we doubt our own self-commitment, we doubt our seriousness, we stop doing the thing. Okay. Comparatively, when we really have a clear goal, for example, 5 minutes of stretching every single day, we can precisely know how much exercising is enough exercising. Oh yeah, we say that we are going to be doing this. We actually did this. We did the thing that we said that we are going to be doing. We are fulfilling our own goal. Okay, there's going to be some sense of fulfillment, achievement, accomplishment when we finish the thing that we said that we are going to be doing. And this is going to be exclusively obtained only if we set on a really clear, specific, measurable goal, like 5 minutes of stretching, 5 minutes of learning Spanish, 5 minutes of meditating every single day. And over time, when you just fulfill your goal on a day-to-day basis, even if it's just like 5 minutes or something small, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, over time, when you just fulfill it, okay, on a day-to-day basis, this is going to create some sense of confidence that, hey, you can actually do the thing that you say that you are going to be doing, I don't know, maybe for the past 7 days, maybe for the past 14 days, right? And it's going to build some sense of confidence by giving us some evidence that we can actually do it. You know what? If I can do it for the past 14 days, I can also do it on day 15, on day 16, on day 17, and so on and so on. So that's basically how you be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Join our Discord. You can also support my long-form work, long-form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. Just disclaimer, the ideas that I present on this video are not originally 100% originally mine. I also gain it from other books, other creators, and also my own experiences. And hey, for today's date of Authenticity Post, today's May 31st, 2025, and today's memes are posted an infinite gas post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.